Hey everybody, Debbi Starr here. I am back with a quick little video. Super excited about GoHighLevel / Funnel Gorgeous, all of those other white label programs out there. They released some awesome new features, 3 features that you are going to love if you are using this application. It's going to save you so much time building that consistency. Now, if you are not using an all-in-one marketing program and you want to try this out, there is a link for a 14-day trial. Let me tell you a little secret. When I first got into the business, just like everybody else, I was bootstrapping, using this free program, using that one. And guess what? Before you know it, you just had like this Frankenstein mess of all these tools. And then you started paying for things and it was just outrageous. High level, super affordable, and it will take your business to the next level. All right, done with the commercial, but I just can't help it. I'm very passionate about what they're doing. And when you see what they have done, it's going to blow your mind if you've used any kind of all-in-one software. So I'm going to share my screen here. Let me get this up on the screen here and hop on over. So what we're looking at is just a little test page here that I've created. And the first thing that I want to show you is you can now put in all of your own branding. If you've used this application before, you'll know that when you're starting a brand new funnel, brand new web page, when you wanted to change, for instance, change the background color here, you would just go down to your color and then you would oh, whoops, the color's not there. Your default color's not there. Now you can see my brand colors are already here, but how convenient. So let me back out of this and I am just going to share with you how you can create your colors. It's just so much time saver here. So over here on the left, if you click on marketing, you come up here to the top, we now have brand boards. As of this date, you can only have 2 brand boards. But again, moving forward, I'm sure they'll give us the ability to have more. So if you're building websites and funnels for other people, it'll be easy peasy for you. So I have 2 here, and notice one is my default. So you can set these up and then say, this is the one that I want to use all the time. Now, I've already set this up, but let me just explain to you what it is. So the first thing that comes up is the logo. So you just click the little pencil tool, and then you just find whatever logo that you want, click it, and there it is. All right, so you can have 2 logos here. And then when you come down to the colors, over here to the top left, where the logos is like the little Ferris wheel thing, and then the middle is the colors. So if you click on that, here's all of the colors, and it says you need to have at least 2. So if I wanted to change maybe this light pink into a light gray, I could just throw this away. I'm not going to do that because light pink is one of my colors. I'm going to click the add button. Excuse me. And now here's the gray. And then if I click on the actual gray, I can put in the hex code that I want. Maybe, let's just see. I'll just put in a super light gray so that we've got it. And then you can just change the label to whatever you want. All right. And then if I come over, excuse me, I'm just going to save the board. And then I'm going to go back up to the typography. And here you can just pick whichever main fonts you want to use. Excuse me. And what's nice also is it gives you a sample. So you can find your font, put it in there, and then it just shows you what the sample will look like. It is that easy. Up here at the very top, the little pencil tool, again, if you're creating this brand board for somebody else, or this is the brand colors I use for my YouTube channel, and this is for something else, you just name it for whatever you want. I mean, super easy, right? All right, now let's go back to sites. And let me go back to that page that I was working on. Oops, I think it's this one. And then remember, I added that custom gray color. So I am just going to come up here to my top section over here on the right, click the background color, and there it is. There's that gray section. I mean, super, super easy. Don't you just love it? So that is the first enhancement that, oh my goodness, my heart dropped when I saw that this was available. The other thing that I want to talk about is how many times do you struggle building a certain section? I mean, we could save sections. We could also save sections as a global section. And a global section means if you have 5 pages in your funnel, like the footer, if you make a change to one, it's going to change it to all. Well, we now can have pre-built sections. Can I have a drum roll? I mean, how awesome is that? So if you go up to the left to the plus and then come down past section templates, here's pre-built sections. Oh my goodness. And then there are different categories here. So you can just click on whichever one makes the most sense to you. Okay. And I don't know, let me just find one here. Let me just drag in a team one, and I'm going to pick the dark color just so you can see. I'm just going to drop it in, close this. And here it is. So here's my headline. Here was the second section. Here's this third section. I mean, how easy is that? Woo! And then here was the section down here that was already there. Oh, this is going to save you tons of time. And if you don't feel like you're the greatest designer out there, just grab one of these pre-built sections and you are good to go. I love it. Now, there's one other thing that I want to show you. It's a great little marketing hack. Let me just, this is a test funnel, but let me save early, save often. That's my motto in life. So I'm just going to save that. And I'm going to come over here to this page. Now, GoHighLevel has come out with the ability to create your own QR codes. All right. So I created this using GoHighLevel. Now you can, there's lots of places that you can create. I'm going to shrink this down so you can sit a little better. Personally, I just use Canva because it's super easy. And a lot of times whatever I'm building, I'm already in Canva. But you can now do it inside of GoHighLevel. And the beauty of a QR code is, you can have it on your phone. You can have it in like printed business cards, whatever, and people can just scan it and it will take them to a certain page that you want. You can also set up automations so that it would send them a text message. Okay. I mean, the sky's the limit, what you can do. Another cool thing, stole this from somebody else. I can't even remember who it was. But what they do when they're giving, excuse me, presentations is if you're speaking from the stage or you're doing a webinar, for instance, he'll come to a page maybe early on and just say, hey, if you want a copy of these slides, scan this. So everybody's taking a picture of it and they're good to go. But on every single slide, he uses this top header, which I thought was brilliant also. So he just has all the way through the presentation, this top little section, text slides to this number for a copy of the presentation. And then on the back end, you just have a little automation that will capture their name and email. You could have a little text message with them and send them the slides. So I just thought that was a brilliant idea also. So let me stop, come back to you. Can you see why I'm so excited? So these three main features that I talked about that are game changers. One, you can put in your own brand colors. Hooray, hooray. And then all of these pre-built sections, you will be able to whip out a funnel or a website in no time whatsoever. And then the last little hack, if you want to use the QR code generator inside of GoHighLevel, you can certainly do that. And then also just that little added hack at the top of reminding people to send you a text to get that, or maybe you have something else in conjunction. The sky's the limit. But the whole idea is we want to make it easy and frictionless for them to stay in contact with you and so that you can nurture them. So I hope you like this. Give me a thumbs up. Show me a little love because YouTube loves that interaction. And if you want more help, if you want help with your systems, strategies, software, the whole 9 yards, then you might want to join my Digital Business Academy. It's only $47 a month. I am there in your back pocket to help you along the way. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.